Now let me show you how to connect your smart TV to internet via wireless connectivity. All you have to do is to go to settings, go to all settings, navigate down to connections, select network. So you go to network settings. Network settings, you select wireless. So here you can scan for your network if you don't find your network here. You can scan if you don't find your network here. If you find your network, you can select your network and it will request for password. So you then enter the password of the router you are using or the Wi-Fi or hotspot that you are using. So after entering the password, you just select OK. Let me enter my password. Then you select done. It will check if everything is okay, then you get connected. This is how to connect your smart TV to internet via wireless connection. So here again, there is another tip that I want to take you through. When you select the wireless option here, you get the option to either scan or manage. So when you click on the manage, you have the option to delete your previous connected network that you don't want to show up here. You can just select any of them and then click on the delete and that network will be deleted. So this is how to connect your smart TV to internet using wireless connectivity and through LAN cable connectivity. Thank you for watching.